INVZ stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Innoviz Technologies stock, INVZ, or whatever the pronunciation is there, 7.6% up. Yeah, I'm actually quite excited about this. I have talked about this before, plenty. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called thousands of credit predictions up on my YouTube channel for free. And specifically with this, yeah, like this is how it looks like. This is from a 4-hour chart. Let's go daily. It has had its own expansion, but the only way that I'll buy this is the price gives me a double break shift. If it does not, then I'm just obviously not gonna buy. But you have to understand, without it ever giving me nothing, like I'm just, even like this here, like if there's a second full candle close above 107, you bet I'm taking things up, right? Quite exciting times for INVZ, honestly. Stay tuned if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way. Click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.